What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax, and good afternoon from Cape Town, South Africa. So we're going to go over Bitcoin, guys. We're currently sitting at 46,828. We're sitting at a market cap of 879 billion. 24-hour volume is 32.39 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So the bulls continue to show massive strength. A lot of analysts are calling for 42K or calling for the technical target from our rising wedge, which is down here at 37.5. I really don't see it, guys. All the charts are telling me is that we're having a little bit of sell-off. The bulls are consolidating the price, allowing the RSI to fall back down into a healthy level, allowing the EMAs to catch back up on the daily. So in my opinion, we're still looking extremely bullish, and the bulls are just showing absolutely massive strength, as I've been saying here. So we have this larger rising wedge pattern. I'll show it to you here on the 4-hour, and we've already fallen out. We have one touch here, two touch, three touch, and we fell out. And we have another bearish pattern, which is a double top, but that neckline has not been broken. And as you can see here on the hourly time frame, we've had a double bottom, and as of right now, it looks like we're heading up to that technical target at 49,297, and then we have the golden ratio at 4,778. So do keep an eye on this little pattern here. I had posted it here in the Discord, guys. We have over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon if you'd like to. So keep an eye on this little W bottom pattern. We could see a bit of a reversal here. We're still showing immense strength, in my opinion. The bulls are still in control. We are seeing a little bit less volume here, but if we were to come up and break this high at 4,778, then we're good to go, and that's when we'll head up to those next price targets here at 50K and then 54K. See how we're just consolidating and allowing the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles here? Extremely healthy, in my opinion. We are still seeing a bit of that bearish divergence here, but the bulls are just showing immense strength. There was many analysts calling for 42K, calling for our breakdown target at 37K, but as of right now, I really don't see it, guys. The bulls are continuing to hold the price up here. So what we want to see is a bit of increase in volume, and for us to break this high at 47,778. If we were to roll over here and break this double bottom, or sorry guys, this double top, your breakdown target would bring you down basically to the 0.5, about 43,397. I really don't see Bitcoin going any lower than that. I do not think it would reach that technical target. As even if we came down to 43,397 here, it would be lining up with the 20 EMA, and that would basically have to happen over the next day, because the 20 EMA will continue to creep up here going into tomorrow. So we're still showing immense strength. I think there's a high likelihood of us breaking our high over the next few days, over this next week, and heading up towards 50K and 54K. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Just a quick little update. The bulls are showing massive strength, in my opinion. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. What is the date today for up to $1,600 in bonuses? It ends tomorrow, August 18th. So don't forget to sign up. Follow me on social. Check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.